Hi everybody, my name is Rhys, and just like a lot of you, for the time being, I am stuck at home. So instead of doing like video games and watching shows, something that I like to do to pass my time is make these clay creatures. So I have a few here. This one is made out of little vines. And this one, he's like a leviathan. This one, he's got really cool flat head with spikes. This one has big claws on his hands. And this one, he's just a chef. So today I'm gonna teach you how to make a fox out of clay. So first we're gonna wanna make the body. You can make it however size you want. You can make it however color you want. But right now I'm just gonna be using orange, white, and black. So you're gonna wanna make the body like a little noodle. And then for the head, we're gonna make a ball. So this is gonna be the head, a ball. And then for the snout, I'm gonna take just a bit. We're gonna roll it up into like a little cone shape. And for the nose, we're gonna get a little piece of black and just pop it on there. That's the nose. You can attach the snout to the face, or the head, like that. Then attach it onto the body. So this is so far the body of our fox. Body, head, and snout. For its legs, we're gonna make 4 little noodles. So you can make them however thick or however skinny or however long or tall you want. But you're gonna start off, you're gonna make 1 really long noodle. And you can separate that into 4 parts. So first cut it in half and then cut it like that into 4 equal pieces. And these are what are gonna become your legs. So you're gonna roll them out and then you're gonna make little noodles to be the feet. And then we can attach them to the bottom of our fox. Alright, so we are done the legs of our fox. So now we are going to make its tail. So foxes generally have big bushy tails. So we're gonna try to make it a little big, like bushy. That'll be good. And we're gonna top it off with a bit of white. Then we're gonna flatten out the white, put it on the tip of the tail just like that. Then roll it up and pop it on. There we go. So our fox isn't completely done yet. It still needs eyes, ears, and a bit more finer detail. For the eyes, we're gonna need to make little dents in its head. And I have a tool for that. I'm just gonna go get that. So this is the tool that we will be using to make the dents in the fox. You can really use anything to make the dents, but this is what I have on hand, so this is what I'm gonna be using. So try to make them equal sized. If you can't, that's okay. That's where the eyes of the fox are gonna go. We're gonna take the white. We want the eyes to be around the same size, so we will cut it in half. So now we have 2 little balls, see? For the eye color, I generally like to make the eye color of the creature what their general body color is. So you can see this guy here, he's red, he's got red eyes. This guy is blue, he's got blue eyes. So we're gonna take some orange clay, because our fox is orange, and flatten it out, make a little disc. I'm gonna pop that on there like that. So this is how we're gonna do it, just like that. And we're gonna do it with the second eye as well. So here we have the eye color of the eye. They're roughly the same size, which will be good. And now for the pupils. Pupils can be real small. We just need a little bit of black for the pupils. This is the completed eye. So once we're done with the eyes, we don't want the pupils to be too small, otherwise we won't be able to see them very well. So we're done with the eyes. We will pop them into their sockets. All right. So this is our fox so far. So we can tell he's missing something, his ears. So we're gonna get the orange. Maybe you want big ears, maybe you want small ears, but that's entirely up to you. We're gonna have 2 ears. They're gonna be roughly the same size, and they're gonna be little triangles. Triangles or around that size, similar to a triangle. Okay, so here are our ears. So we're gonna attach the ears onto the fox like so, right behind the eyes. And here we go, here is our fox. He's got 4 real nice legs, some eyes, and a snout.